kind of sponsored. Yeah, it's kind of sponsored by Redline. So the life preservers, you pull them out of the bag, you put them over your neck and shoulders, shaped like a horseshoe. There's a D-ring and a hook. You snap the hook on the D-ring, you pull the tag in and make it tight. That's how you that's how you secure your life preserver and make it, as we say in the nautical world, fast. Okay. You guys might be wondering, so what's the deal, Kai? How do we know that like it's time for us to put on our life preservers? To which I would answer, well, if you see Alan and I running around the boat looking for life preservers, you should get yourself one probably.
It's time.
Yeah, it's that time. We got a fire extinguisher right here. We pull the pin, aim it at the base of the flame, squeeze until it's completely exhausted and empty. That is just like a fire extinguisher anywhere else on planet Earth. Okay, no different. There is a little raft that will automatically deploy if the big raft goes down. Guys, and gals, just so you know, this is all worst case scenario stuff, right? Stuff that should not come into play. But if it does happen, you need to know about it. That's why we tell you. But he does go overboard. You guys know what you say. And overboard. This is favorite. Please come over and grab it. Okay? I promise we'll come back and get it. Guys, we're gonna kick it in the church mode. How do you guys? One last question for y'all. How do you guys feel about loud music and fast boats?
Yes. Hell yeah.
All right. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
All right. Hell.
What's a boat without music?
Start a competition group or something like that. So because they're not feeding, anytime they do anything that's really dynamic, it's because they are in fact trying to either mate, show dominance, sometimes when it's mom and baby, she's teaching baby. So all of these different behaviors when they're starving are to some sort of end, right? So there's always something behind it. Yeah, we'll give it a second here, guys, and just kind of hang out over here.
Yeah, I love how like in nature there's all kinds of ways to attract a mate, you know, and like for some animals it's like a little dance or like you're just very colorful, but for whales it's like, yeah, far side.
Really? So that's the baby. Pretty solid baby. That one, look at that. 88% of the whale. And when mom and dad, oh, not that one. Yeah, no way. He's like, you say I'm awkward. Generally not. I mean, there's no an oil drum of just dissipate immediately. Yeah. So whale milk is, hey!
Just the males. Yeah, the females don't sing. I'm pretty sure it's associated with their breeding grounds mostly, maybe a little bit of the migration back, but it's mostly like a breeding behavior. They don't really know exactly why they do it.
So yeah, the way that the whale song works, I mean, if you were so inclined, you could literally take this and put it on sheet music and you'll see the repetition, you'll see the variations. And the interesting thing is all the males in the North Pacific stock are singing essentially the same song.
No good?
Nothing out there.
Yeah.
Best whale watching we've been on.
Awesome. Yay, I'm going next. So. Lucky you guys.
we actually don't have a word for it. We say until we meet again, and that's ahui ho. So ahui ho to all of you. We do want to see you guys come back again. And then we have a phrase that we use, malamapono. Malamapono means to take care. Guys, we live in a crazy world. Crazy stuff happens. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your loved ones and your families, your ohanas. Get home safely. I know a lot of you traveled a long way to join us here. Get home safely and come back and see us again so that we can share more of the beauty of our island home with you. And that genuine aloha spirit, ladies and gentlemen, that's not going anywhere. It doesn't matter if we have fires, hurricanes, anything that happens to us here in Hawaii, we will always be here to share aloha with our guests that come from all over the world. And then finally from Ari and I, from the bottom of our hearts, one more fun aloha to you all. God bless. Happy New Year, you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your trip while you're here in Hawaii. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mahalo. Man, you guys are making me look good. That's my boss up there. Yeah. Thanks. Appreciate that.